Want restaurant-style crispy fried chicken at home? Stay with me. This recipe is unbelievably crunchy and juicy. Here's everything you'll need: fresh chicken, buttermilk, flour, cornstarch, and a perfect blend of seasonings for an incredibly crispy coating. The secret to juicy fried chicken is a flavorful buttermilk marinade. Coat every piece well and let it soak up all those delicious flavors. This seasoned flour mix is the secret to that extra crispy golden crust. Every spice adds another layer of flavor. Press the seasoned flour firmly onto the chicken. Those little craggy bits are the secret to an extra crunchy, restaurant-style crust. Make sure your oil is hot before frying. Carefully lower each piece into the oil and don't overcrowd the pan for the crispiest results. Let the chicken rest on a wire rack for a few minutes. This keeps the crust extra crispy while the inside stays juicy and tender. Flip the chicken gently so every side cooks evenly. Watch that beautiful golden crust develop. This is exactly what we're looking for. Let the chicken rest on a wire rack for a few minutes. This keeps the crust extra crispy while the inside stays juicy and tender. While the chicken is still hot, sprinkle on the seasoning. The heat helps every bit of flavor stick to that perfectly crispy crust. No crispy fried chicken is complete without an amazing dipping sauce. This sweet, tangy, and slightly spicy sauce takes every bite to the next level. Listen to that crunch! Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and the homemade sauce makes it even better. This is absolutely delicious. Let's make the perfect crispy fries to go with our fried chicken. Cutting them evenly helps them cook beautifully and stay crispy. Fry the potatoes until they're beautifully golden and crispy. While they're still hot, season them lightly with sea salt for the best flavor. Presentation makes a big difference. Serve your crispy fried chicken with golden fries, creamy dipping sauce, fresh coleslaw, and a squeeze of lemon for the perfect meal. Look at that! A perfectly crispy crust on the outside, and incredibly juicy, tender chicken on the inside. This is exactly what homemade fried chicken should look like. For an irresistible twist, drizzle warm hot honey over the crispy chicken. The perfect balance of sweet, spicy, and extra crunchy makes every bite unforgettable. Can you hear that crunch? Perfectly crispy on the outside, unbelievably juicy on the inside. This is homemade fried chicken at its absolute best. Every great fried chicken meal needs a fresh, creamy coleslaw. It's cool, crunchy, and perfectly balances the crispy chicken. And here it is, our ultimate crispy fried chicken feast. Golden, juicy, extra crunchy, and served with all the perfect sides. It's a meal everyone will love. Want to take it to the next level? Turn your crispy fried chicken into an incredible homemade chicken burger. Every bite is packed with crunch and flavor. This homemade honey butter glaze adds an incredible sweet and savory flavor while keeping the crispy coating perfectly crunchy. Look at that incredible crunch! Crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. This is exactly how perfect fried chicken should be. Here's another delicious way to enjoy this crispy fried chicken: a loaded chicken wrap packed with fresh vegetables, creamy sauce, and incredible crunch in every bite. Now for a classic American favorite, crispy fried chicken fluffy waffles with warm maple syrup. The perfect mix of sweet, savory, and crunchy. The little finishing touches make a big difference. Fresh herbs, lemon, and your favorite dipping sauce turn this homemade fried chicken into a restaurant-quality meal. Just listen to that crunch. Golden, crispy on the outside, juicy and tender on the inside. This is homemade fried chicken perfection. Our crispy fried chicken feast is finally ready to serve. Perfect for family dinners, game nights, or any special occasion. That's unbelievably crispy. Juicy on the inside, crunchy on the outside, and packed with amazing flavor. This recipe is definitely a keeper. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this crispy fried chicken recipe, like this video and turn on the bell icon so you never miss another delicious recipe. See you in the next video. Here are my top tips. Marinate the chicken for at least 4 hours. Keep your oil at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and always let the chicken rest on a wire rack for maximum crispiness. Today we made perfectly crisp scratch, crispy outside, juicy, and packed with incredible flavor. I hope you enjoy making this recipe at home. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite seasoning or dipping sauce for fried chicken? Tell me in the comments. I can't wait to read your ideas. The secret to perfect fried chicken is simple. A flavorful buttermilk marinade, a well-seasoned coating before serving. Follow these tips, amazing results every time. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope this crispy fried chicken recipe becomes one of your favorites. Enjoy every crunchy, juicy bite. Thanks for watching Crispy Kitchen. If you loved this crispy frile so you never miss another delicious recipe. See you in the next cooking adventure.